negative.
I think it was better just because I'm in the band. That was a better segment last night. Take it or leave it, I don't care what you say.
Cardiff, have we had a good time tonight? I'd like to say something really quick. I've seen this girl at 4 shows. Is it 4 now? Or is it 5? This is the 4th? And the next one. You're coming in the next one as well.
Hey, Mike.
So this girl's name is Grace and she's been at 4 shows so far.
Hey, Mike.
And if you are anything like Grace, I need you to make some noise. Have you been to more shows than Grace?
Yeah.
I don't know if you have. She's like, man, could you have it?
That was my moment.
Who's coming to 2 shows on Sound Live feels like? You know what? We should change the name tonight. Tonight you should not say that you went to Sounds Live Feels Like, you should say that you went to Coachella 2016. It's not this thing. Coachella actually changed to here. And we are playing Coachella tonight on the main stage. Okay?
It's pretty awesome. Thank you, Coachella, for having us tonight.
Coachella has been amazing. This is really like a surreal experience for us. Oh yeah, go check out our Twitter page because we totally did not Photoshop people wearing our shirts at Coachella. We just keep showing.
It's crazy. Gigi Hadid was wearing our shirt today. I don't know if you see that.
She was. It's crazy. Taylor Swift as well was wearing our shirt. You know, it's just no big deal, guys. No big deal.
Don't treat us any differently, okay? Just don't treat us any differently because, you know, Taylor Swift's wearing your
We're
shirt.
still the same humble dudes. You know, it's just, you know, we're just lucky enough to have this opportunity of people wearing our shirts.